You guys, I finally have received my new bag from DeMELLIER and I want to unbox it and show it to you. I mean, this didn't really take that long, thank God, in comparison to another shipment issue I have. I received my bag. So I kind of like already took it apart a little bit because I couldn't wait. Okay, I couldn't wait, but I haven't removed all the packaging from the straps. So this is the bag that I wanted, of course, shoulder bag, and I debated between 3 colors. This one was already on my vision board, and then I had the black. I was thinking about the black, but I already have the New York bag, so getting this one in the black, I was like, maybe I can wait a little bit longer. And of course there's the chocolate brown suede. This comes in that suede color, and I debated on getting that as well, but I just stick to my vision board this time instead of like what is coming up at now last minute. This bag will definitely last me such a long time, so this is pretty much kind of like a longevity purchase, I like to call it, which is I'm going to be able to wear it a lot longer than getting that brown suede bag. So because that is just going to last me the winter, and I don't even know if next winter it will be on trend or next fall. So oh my gosh, but I definitely wanted this bag. I really like DeMELLIER, you guys, but I'm going to give you my honest opinion on this one. And I love the inside. I love this little white pocket. I love the white pocket. I don't know why, but I saw it in the picture and I was like, oh my god, yes, yes. It's pretty spacious and quite a lot fits, and I just think it's so cute and pretty, you guys. Okay, I love a shoulder bag. You guys know that I love a shoulder bag. Okay, I took off my poofy vest and this is how it looks like. So I will give my review in a minute, just like first glance, but I need to test it in my own environment. I need to test it out and about, running errands and doing that, taking it for dinner, to see how it does feel. If I like it enough, I think I will get it in black. Here are my quick thoughts. Just comparing it and touching this bag, the New York bag, this one feels like more substantial. This one is lighter, so the material doesn't feel thicker like this one. This one feels kind of like nice and thick. This one feels thinner and lighter. So it's a very light bag. It's not heavy at all, which is beneficial for those who want to just walk a lot and just have this bag. So this is not going to be an issue at all, but I thought it was going to be, I don't know, a better feeling, I guess. And I did see a YouTuber, I literally don't know her, it's just I was searching specifically for this bag, her video came up and I watched it. She did say that apparently this bag kind of like doesn't stay on your shoulder that much, so I need to test that one out. I mean, so far so good. I already crossed this out on my vision board because it is literally this color, and I mean, this is a perfect summer color, perfect vacation bag as well, and this will just go with just so many outfits, you guys. This will be a bag that I will be styling for a couple of years with a lot of different outfits, so yeah, I like that. So I went into the bathroom because I like my mirror in the bathroom and I like the lighting in there, so I went in there and I took a look at how this bag looked on each one of my shoulders. And when it comes to the length, I really think it's perfect. It is just a beautiful bag. It is just a beautiful bag. And I really, really love it. This was a great decision. See, overthinking absolutely works for me, you guys. Absolutely works. You should do debates, involve whomever, I don't know, your mom, your husband, debates matter, and pros and cons list, and comparing colors and taking time to really make a good decision. And to me, this is a good decision. See, you guys, like, every time I want to buy a bag, especially like, you know, expensive bags, to be honest, like not $30 bags, if that makes sense, but more expensive bags, I do take more time to think about it and debate and think about it and compare colors, compare prices, sizes. I do that a lot. So maybe it will take me longer to make a decision on a bag, but that's why I have no bag regrets really, especially luxury ones or mid-luxury. I don't really have regrets because of my overthinking capabilities. But it works for me. Maybe it doesn't work for everybody, but it works 100,000% for me. And this was an excellent decision for me. Now, I did put a couple of things in here. I did put just like to create weight to see how it feels. So I have a mouse. I have my wireless headphones, which I have kind of like 3 of those. And my charger, cell phone charger. And the zipper feels really nice. So I love a zippered bag. I don't think it falls off my shoulders. Granted, I have to test it out a bit more, so I'm just telling you kind of like my initial thoughts. I definitely feel like it looks really, really chic. It's very weekend, it's very Rosie Huntington, and I just love that about this bag. It looks really sleek. Alright, that is it for this video. It is very short, kind of like a short review, since it's the first time that I have it in my hands. I just wanted to give you a quick initial thoughts about the bag. I definitely do like it. It looks very sleek. The logo is very small. So that is nice. One more thing before I go. I feel like the brand should do one of those brown boxes and stick this one in a bigger box. That way you don't see it's DeMELLIER, because this box came kind of like beaten up and a little bit broken here, so it's not a huge deal, but I just feel like anybody can steal my stuff in transit, and I think that it's just better to, even though this is nice, but maybe 20 years ago this worked, but nowadays you cannot send things like this. It has to be more hidden, I suppose. Yeah, because I was like, oh my god, does somebody go in there in my box? And it looks like they didn't. It's just like, it is just so beaten up. But yeah, so that is it for this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next video. Bye.